The world without Abel's murder, a foundation of cooperation. Imagine a world where Cain never succumbed to jealousy and murdered Abel. The immediate impact would be the absence of the first murder in human history, a foundational act of violence that has resonated through generations. Instead of a legacy of fratricide, humanity's origin story could have emphasized cooperation and harmony between different ways of life, represented by Cain's agriculture and Abel's shepherding. This could have fostered a societal emphasis on coexistence and mutual respect, potentially altering the course of civilization towards more peaceful development. Spiritual lessons might have focused on managing emotions, compassion, and the sanctity of life, rather than sin, punishment, and redemption through sacrifice. Future generations would inherit a legacy of collaboration, potentially leading to a more just and harmonious society, free from the ingrained narrative of primal violence. Without the act of fratricide, spiritual and societal development could have taken a dramatically different path. The absence of such a violent act at the dawn of humanity might have led to a fundamentally different understanding of the relationship between humanity and the divine. Instead of focusing on sin and redemption, spiritual teachings might have emphasized the importance of emotional intelligence, managing envy, and fostering compassion. The development of emotional intelligence would become central to spiritual growth, focusing on understanding and managing our complex emotions rather than overcoming sin. The story of Cain and Abel is interpreted differently across faiths. Judaism focuses on the dangers of jealousy, Christianity views Abel as a foreshadowing of Jesus Christ, and Islam emphasizes obedience to God. Without the murder, these interpretations would likely shift, potentially leading to a more unified spiritual understanding centered on cooperation and mutual respect. Without primal violence, humanity's spiritual evolution might have focused more on growth and harmony rather than overcoming inherent darkness. The impact on art, literature, and cultural narratives would also be profound. The absence of the archetypal story of primal violence would lead to new and potentially more optimistic explorations of the human condition.